Hi, my name is Ismael Tigatungan. I'm from BSCD 2A, and here's my report. Let's start about poems written in Ateneo. Mi primera inspiración, or my first inspiration, first written poem of Rizal, which was dedicated to his mother on her birthday. He wrote it when he was 14 years old. So let's talk about Rizal's poem on education. According to him, through our motherland receives light. Education plays in the progress and welfare of a nation. So the second one, the intimate alliance between religion and education, showed that education without God is not true education. So Rizal's religious poem, Al Niño Jesus, or To the Child Jesus, written when he was 14 years old, expressing his Catholic faith devotion. A la Virgin Maria, or To the Virgin Mary. So the next one, dramatic work in Ateneo. Father Sanchez requested him to write a drama based on the prose story of Santo Eustasi the Martyr. He finished that request on June 2, 1876, titled San Eustacio Martyr or San Eustacio the Martyr. A pretty woman, 14 years old, Batanggenyo from Lipa. Once Sunday, Rizal visited his maternal grandmother in Trozo, Manila, with his friend Mariano Katigbak, one of whom was an attractive girl. They who mysteriously caused his heart to palpitate with stage ecstasy was Segunda. At the time, he reminisced, she looked at me and I blushed. Rizal came to know Segunda more intimately during weekly visits to La Concordia College, where his sister was boarding student. Olympia and Segunda was close friend. There was indeed a love at first sight, but Segunda was already engaged to be married to Manuel Luz. And that will be all. Thank you for watching.
Hello, I am Muhammad K. Namla. I am here to introduce you and understand the Jose Rizal first love and his poem. So what are the purpose of this report? So itong ulat na ito ay tungkol sa pagsusuri ng unang pag-ibig ni Jose Rizal. So at ang mga tula niya ay nagpapakita ng kanyang pananampalataya at damdamin. So dito na tayo sa unang pag-ibig o ang first love ni Jose Rizal. So sino nga ba ang first love ni Jose Rizal? Ito ay si Segunda Katigbak. So Segunda Katigbak ang first love ni Rizal noong siya ay 16 years old pa lamang. Siya ay isang magandang dalaga from Lipa na may charm at karisma. So ang love story nila ay maikli pero intense, puno ng mga pangarap at regrets. Hindi natuloy ang kanilang pagmamahalan kasi engaged na si Gunda sa ibang tao. Kahit saglit lang silang nagkasama, iniwan ni si Gunda na malalalim na marka sa puso ni Rizal na kanyang nireflect at isinulat sa mga tula at letters niya. May dalawang tula na relihiyoso na ginawa si Jose Rizal at ito ang Al Niño Jesus at ang pangalawa ay Ala Virgen Maria. So pakinggan natin ang tula na ginawa ni Jose Rizal. Al Niño Jesus, how God-child hast thou come to earth in cave forlorn, thus fortune now deride thee, when you art scarcely born. Ah, well celestial King, who mortal doom dost keep, would not rather be sovereign by shepherd of thy sheep. Al Niño Jesus o sa Tagalog sa Batang Jesus. Sa 14 na gulang, sinunot ni Rizal ang tulang ito bilang sign ng kanyang deep devotion kay Jesus na bata. Makikita sa tula na kanyang faith at simple wishes para sa guidance at proteksyon. Ala Virgin Maria, Dear Mary, giving comforts and sweet peace to all afflicted mortals, thou the spring whence flows a current of relief, to bring our soul fertility does not cease. Upon thy throne, where thou dost reign on high, O least sweet pity, a woeful grief, and spread thy radiant mantle to receive my voice which rises swiftly to the sky. Sa pangalawa, ala Virgin Maria o sa Tagalog sa Birheng Maria. Isa pang tula na nagpapakita ng debosyon si Rizal, this time kay Virgin Mary. Sa tulang ito, humihiling siya ng comfort at tulong mula sa Birhen, lalo na during times ng kanyang struggles at worries. So, we are here on the last page which is the conclusion. So, ang mga tula ni Rizal ay may religious themes at ang kanyang experience sa first love ay nagbibigay ng deeper understanding sa kanyang emotion at faith. So, hindi lang basta-basta mga tula ito, kundi may mga reflection ng kanyang life at experiences na nagmold sa kanya as a person and a creative individual. Sa mga tulang ito, makikita natin kung paano niya hinanap ang strength mula sa kanyang faith at kung paano ang personal experience niya like first love ay nagbigay inspiration sa kanyang works.